right, y'all, let's go. What's up? What is everybody up to today? How was y'all day today? Look, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, taco. Just a simple taco. What's up, my Texas Teas? It's your girl Treka, and I am back with another video with my tacos. Yes, sir. Look at these tacos, y'all. It's just a quick video because I was hungry and I worked all day, but I want to get these tacos in. So I got some sour cream that I'm going to throw on these bad boys. Yes. And some Dollar General taco sauce. And some Fiery Hot. And you know what? I put some of this on my husband's tacos. He doesn't like heat, but I didn't realize that it was Fiery Hot. I thought I had mild, but it was Fiery Hot, and trust me, he could tell. I do have jalapenos, but I don't really feel like doing jalapenos right now. I'm gonna take my PALATES OZ because I already know what the taco's gonna do at 11 o'clock at night. Yeah. I'm ready, y'all. Are y'all ready? Here we go. Amen, amen. All right, y'all, let's go. What's up? What is everybody up to today? How was y'all day today? Look, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, taco. Just a simple taco. I'm telling y'all, sometimes simple is the way to go. I didn't feel like no tomatoes. I'm watching me some good times. And it's the episode when Keith asked Stan to marry him. What y'all up to today? Me nothing. Always doing what we do as well. Working all day. And making sure my family is provided for at night. It's so good. Yeah. Look at that. What all do y'all put on y'all tacos? Let me know in the comment section. Look at that. I just want a simple taco. Mmm. 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 That is so good. God is truly amazing. Mmm. Look at that. He's so amazing. Today, I've been working, and in my downtime, I've been catching up on my videos that I've been missing. I logged on to, girl, forgive me, because I know I'm gonna mess it up, but I'm gonna put it across my screen. Life with Kim B, I think. That sister knows she be cooking. When I checked out CHOMP Queen on vacation, and she did a crab boil with her family, and it was beautiful. STEPHANDTASHA landed some great videos. They went solo. Oh no. Tosh did sushi, and Steph did seafood. FRITZ Family Entertainment, I watched them today. They did a seafood boil. My girl Honey from BOUGIE. She tried that 2-time spicy chicken wing challenge and she failed. And I'm laughing but I told her, excuse me, I owe CHOMP Queen that challenge. I laughed at her. It was too cute and too funny. Fake Squad is doing a thing with that, I don't know if it's get up and move or move your body or something challenge that Prissy P started. I watched Fake Squad today. And she is getting up and she is moving. And my hat's off to you. Y'all, I'm full. I cannot eat a lot of food. I don't know what the deal is, but I'm full. I cannot eat a lot of food. I still have 3 tacos left. I did 2. I'm stuffed. I probably actually shouldn't have made 3 because the way my life is set up and the way I eat, I should know that I'm gonna get full. But I have some new subscribers. Thank you for logging on. I appreciate you so much. Just hang in there with me, and I will hang in there with you, and we will grow together. Thank you for becoming my Texan tea. I believe I got full so fast. Oh, my girl Shamika as the 2 turns. She did a shrimp po' boy video today. Go check her out. That's my boo-boo. That's my boo thing. She's good people. Check her out. If this is your first time logging on to my channel, hey, how you doing? Thank you. Please hit that subscription button below. Turn that red button into gray. And then hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload good eats like these. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome, 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 and thank you for giving me a try. For those of you who are my returning Texan tees, what's up? What's up, my Texas tees? How you doing? Thank you for being here today. Guys, this is the end of my video. I am stuffed, and what you guys will know about me is that I can never, ever overeat. And if my sister is out there watching, what's up, Angela? Thank you for watching. Trevor, Kendra, Tammy, Sonia, Tanya, Otis, Alexis. Thank you all for watching. My cousin Robin, she watches me all the time. Her daughter Raven. My daughter-in-law Kyla. Thank you, thank you. My grandson Caden. Thank you, thank you, thank you for supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much. So until next time, I am getting ready to sign off because I'm done. I am tired and it's 11:30 and she needs to get up to go to work tomorrow. So this is your girl Treka, aka Texas T, signing off. Peace.